Hey superstar, you're welcome back to the channel. Please, if you're not into this business, please make use of this opportunity right now to get into this business and start making money. I'm the one begging you, please. Yes, I teach people how to make money online, but this business is the main business I do to earn money online. So if you're not into this business and you're in Nigeria, and I repeat myself, and you're in Nigeria or you're from Africa, please, you are missing out. That's why make use of this opportunity right now. Please don't be greedy. I want this video to reach out to other people. Please, I'm not telling you to share my video, just like the video. And you liking the video, you're telling YouTube that let YouTube share this video with more people. Please like the video. If you came across the channel now, please subscribe to the channel. Please, it is really going to be helpful. Please subscribe to the channel. Then if you have any comment at the end of this video or any question, leave it down there in the comment section. So as I said, this business is the only business now to do online to earn at least 300,000 naira monthly. Yes, I repeat myself, 300,000 naira monthly. Let me show you guys something. Now, if you look over here, what are you seeing? 500,695 naira. This money was made in just a month. Can you believe that? To show how this business is really strong, I base on this business, and this business is called affiliate marketing. If you have noticed in most of my videos, I talk about this affiliate marketing. Most of you don't want to join it. Join it now and help yourself. If you have 500,695 naira in your bank account, it will really not solve one or two in your life. It's going to solve it. If you're still confused whether this business is a scam, affiliate marketing, go over to Google and search is affiliate marketing a scam or not, so that you remove that scam mindset from your mind. I've been receiving my withdrawals. As you can see, I just got paid, as you can see, 22,470 naira payout. They paid. I look at my sales. I seen it. Alert. So what are you guys talking about? If you're not into this business, join this business, right? And it is one of the most legitimate business now to do online. Please, I'm the one begging you. Please join this business. It is really going to change or solve one or two in your life. Please. As you can see, what this particular person is writing. Okay, read over in this side. See what the person will say. I bless the day I joined this marketing. Please just join. It is really going to help you. At least let me help some group of persons. Now, in order for me to help you, I created a free affiliate marketing class. As you can see on WhatsApp, a free affiliate marketing class on WhatsApp, and I just have how many members? I just have 6 participants. Once I have 30 participants, I will lock this group. That is, nobody can join the group again. So if you have the opportunity now to view this video right now, click on the link in the description box to join this group now, so that when I start teaching from tomorrow, you will get part, or you will be part, or you will learn from the group. I hope this video was helpful. Please click on the link to join the group right now, so that I can teach you and guide you through this affiliate marketing and how to base it as your income and turn your salary into a change. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and leave a comment. It's going to help this video go viral. Thanks for watching.